So last week we paid salaries to the team. We actually closed the month where we were able to generate over 1 million in revenue and completed over 10 tasks. But that same night, I was even outside doing stage management for one of the loudest parties in Abuja. And while I was standing in the middle of everything, a video I made in July 2024 came back to me. A video where I was genuinely asking myself, how am I going to balance being a writer and an outsider? I started this company right from the streets of Iwaya in Lagos. Life back then was chaos. I was just a copper who was tutoring at 3 different tutorial centers, and yes, I was a Snapchat ashawo at that same time. I started a crypto business and then later a car dealer business. Nothing worked. I don't even make reach 2 sales. Then one night around 1 a.m. my phone rang. One of my friends who had just moved abroad trying to make bread for her family. She was stressed out as fuck, juggling her work with assignments. I could feel her pain through the phone, but I was like, don't worry, I'll handle it. Then her results were amazing. Just like that, referrals started coming in, and somehow I had to add research writing to my already chaotic lifestyle. Then I make a new life owner. I was completely lost at that time because I've been trying music and no good. I've been trying dancing and no good. Can't be like say I don't even really get talent. I started thinking maybe I should just have studied medicine just like my family wanted. But there was always one thing I couldn't shake off though. It was a weird gift of bringing people together, because somehow I always wanted to create a games night, a party, a getaway trip, something to pull people away from the stress using whatever little influence I had. That grew into bigger events, and sponsors started showing up at some point. But it took me a long time to accept, like, bro, this is what you're actually good at. When I finally accepted my fate, though I would have loved to be a footballer, I told myself I was going to build modern spaces that brings people together. But the research work kept coming, and I was working a 9 to 5. You need to see me working as a HR by day and a PR by night. Then 2024, I dropped my resignation letter. I quit the job and took a bet on myself to build something real. This month makes it 2 years since I made that crazy decision. And last week, being able to put a smile on the faces of people who believe in this P, it's an amazing feeling. I swear it hits different. A writer and an outsider were never supposed to collide, but somehow we did. And one thing I've learned through all of it, something similar to what J. Cole said, there's beauty in the struggle. But for me, the journey is what shaped the destination. Welcome to the Southside.